Hello again. Today we are going to see how to use our telephone during system hackings and other ethical hackings practice like penetration testing with using our Android telephone. So first of all, here we need one application. We come here on Play Store, and then we search termux. We search termux. You see, I had installed it, so I am going to open it, but you will need to install it. So I tap here on open. Wait, then when you open this app, you see a screen like this, and you type a command like clear this, and first you must update this app, because this app from Play Store is not updated. Updated software like termux, you found it on F-Droid. So you type apt update, and then you wait for this app to update itself. So you see, all packages are up to date for my app because I had updated in last time. So here we need to install proot distro, distribution of some Linux systems that are used in ethical hackings. So we need to type proot distro. We need to install it. We type apt install proot distro. Then you hit enter to install this proot. So you see, I had already installed this newest version of proot distro. So I am going to install some distribution of Linux. I type proot distro list to see how many available distribution. So you see, I have Adelis, Linux, Alpine, Archlinux, and so, but me, I prefer to install Ubuntu release. So you type this command proot distro install one of them, proot distro install, for example, Ubuntu. So you see, I had installed it, so I don't need to reinstall it. I'm going to log in by using this first command, proot distro login Ubuntu. As you see, proot distro login Ubuntu to enter it. We wait for some seconds. So you see, I am root at localhost. I type a first command apt update to update my systems. I wait for short time. So you see, because I had used it first time, I had updated it, so no update I need anymore. So we waiting for short time. So you can install some penetration testing app like Nmap by typing apt install Nmap. This is a network mapper application used for gathering information for open networks, for open ports, for a target or host computer or victim's computer or telephone or other networks. So you hit enter to install it, wait for short time. So because I had installed it, it is already newest version I had. So you need to install it by typing this command. So for example, we can scan for an open port for localhost like my telephone by typing nmap slash no t4 then my IP address, enter. So you see my permission is denied because I'm not a root, so we must install sudo commands. Yes, we clear it, and then we exit from this and we try to install nmap from termux directory apt install nmap. So you see here, but I have already installed the nmap. I don't need to install it again. So you can install or other distributions if you like it by following those commands and steps. And next time we will talk about how to hack any system using our telephones. Thank you so much.